I call Florida jungle. This happens every year. You'll get into a block of time where you just simply cannot mow because it won't stop raining. There's nothing you can do about it. Of course, you have a yard crew that'll mow in the rain. But this is also an opportunity. An opportunity most gardeners will never even realize. Look at all this biomass. It's just everywhere. Alright, so what you do, you bag up while you're mowing. And that's a lot of work in itself. And in general, doesn't like it because everything's always wet. But 2 or 3 bag loads will mulch around a fruit tree for a good summer mulch to help build the soil around it. So that's 2 loads right there. This is a good way for you to build soil around your fruit trees and the mulch during the summer without having to spend a lot of money and turn this complete and total catastrophe of everything growing way too fast here in the summer to an advantage. Instead of paying somebody or just mulching it, most people here, they don't bag, they just mulch everything, run a mulching mower or a side chute, and that feeds it back to the grass, which means the grass then grows back a lot faster. It's kind of an endless cycle here in the summer. You can take some of that and you can concentrate it in places that you're actually growing what you want instead of growing grass. You can put it around fruit trees, you can compost it, you can move it into beds that you're not planning on using until the following year and let it go ahead and compost. Works very well. Grass is very high in nitrogen when it's green like this, so you don't want it up on the base of a tree because it will heat up. You don't want to burn the tree. Thank you.